to give you a little 8 exercise, 40 seconds on, 20-second recovery exercise class. This one's a little bit reduced level in comparison to the YouTube and online exercise class that I've been doing previously. And the reason for that is I want to make sure that I'm catering for everybody. So this one's going to be a basic, beginner level core and sort of Pilates training, where we're just going to work on the fundamental basics of our core, working the deep muscles behind the six pack. All right, so we've got the flash muscles at the front, we've got the obliques at the side, but back in the base there, we've got our transverse abdominis, and that's where we call our core. But our core is our whole trunk, also our glutes and our lower back also. Like this whole pelvic area is our core. This is where we get most of our power from when we're training. So what I want to do is help us engage that. And these are simple exercises, 40 seconds on, 20-second recovery, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. We're just going to go along to the timer. I'm going to demonstrate and you can work along with me. Are we ready? Let's do it. So the first one we're going to do is Superman hold. We're going to be in all fours. What you're going to do is you're going to hold your right arm and your left leg out for 20 seconds. Once the timer gets to halfway, you're going to switch over. Left arm, right leg, 20 seconds, back in. 20-second recovery, then we're on to the next exercise, and I'll keep doing that as the recovery's going on. All right, are we ready? So we'll get into position. We're going to start in 10 seconds. So the first one, Superman hold, all fours, keep that core nice and tight, no rotation, all right? We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and up. So here, right arm, left leg, we're just going to hold, holding the core nice and tight. You might feel a bit shaky, that's okay. That's just your core trying to fire up and keep you nice and stable. Once it gets to halfway, we're just going to change arm and leg. Good work, guys. Hold tight, good form.
Halfway there.
Now change over. There we go. 20 seconds gone, 20 seconds to go. Again, this is beginner core Pilates. 10 seconds to go. Nothing fancy. Just hitting the fundamentals. 2, 1,
Rest.
and rest. Good work. So, nice and easy. You should be feeling your core and your backside engaged there. Next one we're going to do, talking about the backside, glute bridge. Feet shoulder width apart, knees bent, drive through your heels, hips high, like so. All right, we're going to hold that position. 2, 1,
Let's go.
and up. So worked on the front, now we're working on the back. So keep those hips high. You can touch your glutes, make sure they're activated. Drive through your heels and make sure that your glutes are fired up more than your hamstrings on this one. Really, really important. That's it, good. Nice straight line. 20 seconds to go. This is also really good for runners who have poor pelvic alignment. This helps give you hip extension, so then you can drive better from the ground. Drive faster. 2, 1,
Rest.
and rest, and down. 20 seconds. Here we're looking for reverse crunches. What we're going to do is hands underneath the backside, back flat against the ground, so tilt that pelvis underneath you. 90-degree hold, coming down, touch, and back up to set position. All right, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 40 seconds. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Here you're going to feel this in your lower tummy, the lower core, the lower trunk of the body. There we go, good work. Breathing in as you come up and breathing out as you go down.
Halfway
Good.
there.
Good. 20 seconds to go. Keep the back flat against the ground.
10 seconds.
Last 10, good work. Nice and slow and controlled. You feel this in your lower tummy. Back flat against the ground. 3, 2, 1, and recover. Next one we're going to do is a plank. So from here we can either be on our knees, like so, alright, or we can be a bit more advanced and we can go up onto our toes, alright. Just make sure the backside is nice and neutral instead of up or hanging down. Alright, are you ready? In 2, 1,
Let's go.
and up. Good. Core strong. Keep it nice and level. And always maintain good breathing. Breathing in. Breathing out, nice and steady, nice steady flow. Make sure that backside's down. Good work, hold it tight, hold it strong.
Halfway there.
20 seconds to go, guys, you're doing well. 20 seconds. Keep strong, keep tough. Keep that good position, keep the core switched on. Last 10. Good work, guys, keep it going, keep it going. We're doing excellent. 2, 1, and time. This time we're going to move on to the side plank. Again, you can do this on your knees. Cover up like so, or onto your feet. Right hand plank, up like so. Make sure your elbow and your heels are in a nice straight line. Alright? 3, 2, 1. Up we go. So we can have a hand here, or we can have a hand here. This is a little bit easier, because this helps bring the hips up a little bit higher. Want to touch that oblique and make sure that's switched on. Nice work, guys. It's all about keeping those hips high. Keep the hips up. Keep fighting. I know this one might be quite tough. This is working on the sides of the body. It's working on the obliques. Again, maintain good posture and just breathe. 15 seconds to go. This is good. 10 seconds, guys. Hold tough, hang tough. Hips high. Keep them up. Keep them up. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now what we're going to do, since we work the right, we're going to work the left. So left hand side, left elbow, make sure it's in line with your heels, and then we're going to lift those hips up again. You're doing excellent. We've only got a couple of exercises to go after this. We get 3, we get 2, we get 1. Bring those hips up. Again, go on to your knees. If you find this is a little bit too difficult, go onto your knees. This is good work though, really good work. Again, you can have your hand up here, or you can have your hand down here. You guys are doing really well. Come on, keep digging, keep digging. Hips high, lift them up. You may find one side is weaker than the other. That's completely fine. It's just like in football. One foot stronger than the other. It's the same with the body. We've got one oblique stronger than the other. 10 seconds, guys. Keep up, come on, keep up. We're almost there. We're almost finished the core class. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. 2 to go. We've got crunches. So working those flash muscles, working the ones at the front. We're going to have our knees bent, and we're just going to bring our hands up to the top of our knees and back down and just move in the trunk. Try not to strain that neck. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So this is a nice simple yet effective abs exercise. There we go. You should be feeling this in the lower and the upper abdominals. I'm starting to feel it burn. Woo! Starting to feel it burn. Oh baby. Move at your own pace. Be strong, be tough. Halfway, 20 seconds. Come on. Keep digging. Woo! Mav's on fire. Come on, keep going, guys. Keep going. We're almost there. Last 10. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I can feel that burn. Come on. Keep going. We're almost there. 2, 1. Oh, and recover. Good. Get one more exercise, and that's bicycles. We can have our hands underneath our backside, or we can have our hands up here. What we're going to do is just kicking the legs out for 40 seconds, or we can be here, 40 seconds, back flat against the ground, all the way out. 2, 1, last one, let's go, come on. Push, push, straighten and bend, straighten and bend. There we go. This is going to work on the lower tummy now. We're going to really feel the lower abs working hard. A really good exercise to engage the lower core. Also it engages the obliques as well. Really good exercise for runners to strengthen up their hip flexors and the lower core area. Keep this going, core tight, back flat. Core tight, back flat. 10 seconds, we're almost done. 8 minutes of core, almost finished. Yeehaw! Come on, let's go. 2, 1, and done. Woo! Oh, Lordy Lord. Well, that was my beginner core, low level Pilates, a little bit of abs in there, really, really good, no equipment whatsoever. If you found this enjoyable, then by all means you can contact myself and you can come into the abs class on a Tuesday. I've got the yoga on the Thursday, and I've also got high intensity on the Saturday. So there's 3 classes there for you to choose from. If you sometimes do find those classes a bit difficult, then do something like this to help strengthen your body, strengthen your core, to make sure you smash it next time round. But really good work, guys. Hope you found this insightful and fun. Like, share, tag a pal, your friend, family, whoever, whatever. Just get it viewed, get it done. See ya!